chapter number 3, matrices. In this topic, very interesting parts we will do. That is, first part we will do, that is transpose of a matrix. What is the transpose of matrix, and different questions we will do today here. For the matrices A and B, you have to verify that AB transpose equal to B transpose and A transpose. This is the properties of transpose that we will here verify for many questions. Third, we will do here that symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. What is the symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, that we will do today. And then we will verify that A plus A transpose is symmetric. A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix, and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. And then in last we will do the express is square matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This last part is very important, and every year in board exam we get the question, and this question is for 4 marks. So this today the main important parts we will do today. You will watch the video, and whatever assignments given to you, that you will do in your notebook, and really you will enjoy today's the online classes. Hello, our topic is matrix, and we are doing here transpose of a matrix. The matrix obtained from any given matrix A by interchanging its rows and columns is called its transpose, and it is denoted by A dash or A power T. Here one example we will do here. Here this matrix is given to you. Here first row is 1 2 3 4, second row is 2 3 4 1, third row is 3 4 2 5. These rows we will interchange in columns. So you can see first column will be here 1 2 3 4, second column is 2 3 4 1, and third column is 3 1 4 2. So here this row we change in column. Otherwise, one more method is you can check the columns, first column, second column, third column and fourth column. These you can change in row, first row, second row, third row and fourth row. So column also you can change in rows. Then also we get the transpose, means transpose we can get to interchange the rows and columns. Now we'll do the properties of transpose. In the properties, A dash and B dash are transpose of A and B. Then A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Next, second is bracket A bracket close transpose equal to KA transpose, where K is a scalar. AB bracket close and transpose equal to B transpose and A transpose. Next is second property is, if A is M cross N matrix, then A dash is N cross M matrix will be. Here change will be here. If you are given to you A dash, and again you find the transpose of A dash, that is will be A, and ABC multiplication transpose will be C transpose, B transpose and A transpose. Now we will do the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. First is symmetric matrices. What is the symmetric matrix that we will do first? Symmetric matrix is a square matrix. A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. If a transpose of A is itself, then it is called a symmetric matrix. So look here, one example we will do. Here example, first row is 2 4, second row is 4 5. Here first column is also 2 4 and second row is 4 5. Means here rows and columns are same. So it is called symmetric. Next is skew symmetric matrix. What is the skew symmetric matrix? A square matrix A is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to minus A. We will take one example of the skew symmetric matrix. Here you can see that first the change of the first row and first column, only the change of negative sign. Second row and second column, what is the change is only the negative sign. Third row and third column, only the change is of the negative sign. So here rows and column, the changes of the negative sign. Here you can see one special case in this, that the diagonal elements are 0 in skew symmetric matrix. All the diagonals are 0. For a square matrix, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. If you find A plus A transpose, always it is a symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Any square matrix can be expressed as that of the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Means you can write A equal to 1 upon 2 bracket A plus A transpose bracket close plus 1 upon 2 bracket A minus A transpose bracket close. Look here, if you solve this right hand side, you will get A only. But in this format, this A you can write sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric. Here this find the transpose of this. You have to find transpose. How we can find the transpose? Look here. Here first row you will change in first column. Second row you change in second column. Third row you change in third column. That you get the transpose. So very simple portion we have for this. Next question is A transpose is given to you. Okay, A transpose is given to you. B is given to you. And you have to verify A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. So how we can verify this? Look here. Before that, you should know that A is equal to A transpose and again transpose. So A transpose is already given to you. If you find the again transpose of this, you will get A. Means here first row will change in first column, second row will change in second column, third row will change in third column. So this type we can get A. Here B is given to you and you have to find B transpose. How we can find this? First row you change in first column, second row you change in second column, so you get B transpose. Now these all the values, whatever you get, you will put in left hand. This type you put A minus B transpose equal to this type you will put here. So you will get, look here, A minus B. A you put, B you put, transpose. So subtract these, each element, you can corresponding elements you can subtract, and then you will get this. And this transpose means first row you change in first column, second row you change in second column. So you get this is the left hand side. Similarly we find the right hand side. A transpose minus B transpose. So A transpose you put here, B transpose you put, and you subtract, you will get this. And this is same as the previous we find A minus B transpose. Both are same, you can see. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So this type similarly you prove that you will do yourself. Verify the A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. You will do yourself this. Okay. Here you have to find A transpose. If look here, A transpose is given to you, B is given to you, then you have to find A minus, you have to find here A plus 2B transpose. This you have to find. So first of all you find A. How you can find A? You will find the transpose of A transpose. So this first row will change in first column, second row will change in second column. So this type you get the A. Then you have to find first A plus 2B. A you put here, B you put here, multiply this by 2, and then you will look at this type you will get, and this you will add, you will get this, and then you have to find A plus 2B transpose. That will be minus 4, 5, 1 and 6. This is your final answer you get. Look here, one more question is here, that for the matrices A and B, verify that A B transpose equal to B transpose A transpose, where A is given to you, B is given to you, and you have to find AB. First AB you find means first here 3 rows are given to you, and 3 rows you have to corresponding multiply by columns. So you will get this 3 into 3 matrix. Yeah, first matrix order is 3 into 1, second matrix order is 1 into 3. So resultant will be 3 into 3. This time you get 3 into 3. Now you have to find the AB transpose. So first row you change in first column, second row you change in second column, third row you change in third column. So that is you get the left hand side. Similarly here A transpose is given to you, B transpose is you can find by A. A is given to you. This A you row first row uh, or first column you can change in row, so you get, and second B is given to you, this first row you change in column, so you get this B. Now B transpose A transpose means you multiply by these rules and you will get the same answer. So here both we get the equal part.